Hey everyone, this is Amy from RealEnglishConversations.com, where we're teaching you real English that people use in everyday life. And today I have a tip that is going to teach you how to use a particular word in English to sound a lot more natural while you're speaking. The word that we're going to learn how to use today is way. And this is very easy to add to your speaking to make something a little bit bigger than it already is. The structure that we're going to be using is the word way plus the word to plus the adjective, and that is going to make whatever we're talking about even bigger. Let me give you an example. Okay, let's pretend that I'm in the store shopping and I see a pair of shoes that I really like, and I think, oh, okay, I'm going to ask how much these are. And I look at the price and I think, oh, that's really expensive. Okay, and my friend says to me, Amy, are you going to get those shoes? And I say, no, they're way too expensive. Okay. As a learner, you might want to say, no, they're too expensive, okay? But way too expensive sounds like not only are these shoes expensive, but they're really expensive. So the way enhances whatever you're saying. And people use it all the time. Do you like drinking coffee from Starbucks, for example? No, it's way too expensive, okay? Let me give you another example. Let's say that we're outside and it's kind of hot and I'm thinking, oh, I need to go into the air conditioning. I'm really hot right now. And my friend says to me, hey, Amy, do you want to go to the beach? And I'm thinking, oh, the beach is going to be even hotter than it is right now. And I say, no, it's way too hot to go to the beach today. Let's go back to my house and hang out in the air conditioning. So in this case, I'm not just saying it's too hot to go to the beach. I'm saying it's really too hot to go to the beach. But it sounds better when you say it's way too hot to go to the beach. So I hope that you like this tip and it helps you to sound more natural with your speaking. Make sure that you leave a comment below this video and let us know if you liked it. Leave us an example showing us how to use this word way in a sentence. And don't forget to come to our website at RealEnglishConversations.com, where you can learn more real English to sound natural while you're speaking and actually get activities that are going to get you talking in English to reach your fluency goals faster. We'll see you there. Take care.